Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line Thanksgiving sign. I've gone in first and painted my turkey in the color putty, and I'm using barn red for the stripe on his hat and his gobbler, and then I'll use terracotta for his mouth area. I'm going in now with kudzu for my leaves, and I also use terracotta for my pumpkin at the bottom. Next, I'm going to go in with the color chocolate, and I'm going to paint the stem on my pumpkin and also go over all of the ridges on my pumpkin. And all these little ridges I'm going over are etched into the cutout for me, so I'm just following those lines. And then I'm going to go over all of those ridges with the color putty just to accent those. And now I'm going to go in with Hurricane Gray and base coat my sign. Now I'm going in with a little bit of black to paint his hat. And then I'm going to go in and paint my lettering, and I'm going to use Plum Crazy, Barn Red, and Kudzu for each of my words. Following that, I'm going to go in with the color Limeade and a number 4 round, and I'm going to accent / outline all of my leaves. Then I'm going to go in again with that number 4 round and some black paint, and I'm going to fill in my turkey's mouth and also outline him and give him some eyes. I'm going to continue to use this number 4 round to go in and outline just kind of here and there on my Happy Turkey Day. And then I'm going to go in, just rinse that number 4 round off, and go in with the color Cotton, and I'm going to highlight everything just to soften and brighten my look up, and that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.